Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and today we'll show you how to save files after recording on Snagit. So without any further ado, let's get started. First record your screen on Snagit. I've already done that, so I'll just open Snagit. As you can see, the recorded part is already here in the edit section. To save the file on Snagit, all I have to do is select the file option, and I can just save it as a Snagit file, or I can just save it as an MP4. I'd like to save it as an MP4. I'll go to Save As and I'll click the option named Standard Format. I'll click that and I'll go to the download section of my PC and I'll just click Save. And the file has been saved on my PC. So that's how you can save files after recording a screen on Snagit. Hope you guys like this video. Share our other videos and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and peace.